Here I am dealing with 2015 S550 W222 chassis. I had a leak by the firewall. There is a connection that runs through the firewall from here. That's the pipe that comes from the engine itself and comes to the under the windshield cowl here, out from here. First I thought it's gonna be my heater valve that is leaking. It's not, but I'm gonna go ahead and replace that $50 part anyways. What's leaking was the piece coming out or coming through the firewall, sitting like this. The water connector or the coolant pipe connects on this side, and that's the remaining pieces of what's left. There's a smaller one comes here. All this just literally broke off while touching it. Go ahead and get the new parts in, get the heater valve replaced as well, and that should situate our coolant loss issue. After that, we're gonna go ahead and vacuum the system, pull all the air out from the cooling system, and refill it with proper antifreeze.